My name is Anna Criswell, and this is my reflection for Module 3. So I watched the videos that were done by the K-State professor, and I really liked his video about how the machines are using us. I'd never really thought about how computers analyze and organize data, but it was really interesting. And I also didn't know that YouTube was launched in 2005, and he mentioned that it was really difficult to upload videos to the internet before YouTube, and that was never really something that I'd thought about. I liked learning about how his YouTube videos became popular, and I also liked the messages about how media mediates human relationships and how the more individual people become, the more they long for community. I think it's great that the professor and his students used participant observation to learn about the community of YouTube. The discussion about anonymous watching and commenting and the self-reflection of the people making videos was also fascinating to learn about. The YouTube community is definitely worth researching, and YouTube will be very useful to me as a teacher for educational videos and lectures. Videos can be much more interesting than normal lectures and can help students learn in a different way. They can also be good for days when I will be absent or for online assignments and research. So I listened to a TED Talks podcast about removing CO2 from the atmosphere. The talk was given by chemical engineer Jennifer Wilcox, and it was about using CO2 grabbing chemicals to take CO2 out of the air. So that was interesting. Podcasts could be a great technology for the classroom because they could be used for research and listening to lectures from experts and other teachers. Blogs could be great for class discussions, and wikis could be used for class projects. Creating a web page could be a great group project for students to show their knowledge on a subject. And I don't really think Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram could be helpful in the classroom because they're mostly used for personal reasons and they could cause distractions for the students. But I think YouTube could definitely be useful in the classroom. And I chose to use Marklit as my cloud-based bookmarking tool. I remember my high school English teacher showed me a bookmarking account, but at the time I didn't really have very many websites that I used, so I didn't really see the need for it, but now that I've checked it out again, I think I'll start using it because it seems very convenient, and I could set it as my home page and that would make everything a lot easier. Thanks for listening.